Hello YouTube and welcome knife enthusiast. Today I got a really freaking awesome kubey knife. This thing is so razor sharp. It's freaking crazy the edge that this holds. But I have a question for knife enthusiast because I'm pretty new to collecting, so I'm reaching out to the knife world here. If my camera would focus, I need to change my background or something. But this is S30V steel, which I'll get a piece of paper here in a second and show you how sharp it is. Kubey just has amazing action. Of course, this is a titanium frame with titanium hardware, titanium pocket clip, amazing action. But my question for the knife world is, this is $199 on Amazon. So this knife is $199. Now this same kubey knife here, titanium, it's bigger than this one, amazing action. It has 14C28N steel, and this has just absolute drop shut action. Immediately is on the detent ball. So very satisfying, amazing action. But my question is, this one on eBay is $88. I think on Amazon it's $120. Feels absolutely amazing in the hand. You can see it's quite a bit larger than the top one. Why is this one double the price? So at $88 for this one, and this one's $199, is the price difference because of the steel? Is a S30V that much more expensive and a superior steel over the 14C28N? That has to be the price difference. And I'll get a piece of paper here and I'll show you how sharp both these are. But both of these are brand new with the factory edge on them. And this one here, I mean, it's shaven. But 14C28N holds a good edge too. I don't know. It's like I can feel a slight difference with this one, like it's a hair sharper. Now, neither of them are going to be as sharp as this Activian that I put a mirrored edge on. And this is D2. And I actually laid back that edge further than any other edge with the and it is just if I get the right angle on it, it was curling paper yesterday. Now I did use it last night at work. But absolutely love kubey knives. You can never go wrong with a kubey knife. And this thing just has amazing action. Immediately on the detent ball. Of course, it hit my finger there. That's the only reason I felt it. Hit my finger again. Gotta keep my finger out of the way. My other fingers always get in the way. But just something so satisfying about being able to spidey flick a knife. I'm sorry I don't have the name of either of these, but if you just look up a kubey titanium knives on eBay or Amazon, you'd be able to find these. If you go to like Blade HQ or something, you might be able to find them too. But they just amazing action. This one I wish it had a. I can almost deploy it like that if the blade didn't have such a shiny finish on it. I think I could deploy it with my finger, my middle finger, but the doesn't matter if you light switch it or push button it, it just zips right out. You have to be careful that your finger ain't on the lock bar, because if it's on the lock bar, you'll completely lock yourself out. But I mean, so easy to come off the lock up on it. Fall shut action. Absolutely amazing knives from Kubey. Definitely one of my favorite brands to collect is the Kubeys. Both of these are deep carry titanium pocket clips. I've carried, well, I didn't carry them, but I put them both in my pocket just to see how they felt, and they both felt really good in the pocket. I have not taken either of these apart, so both of these, I have not adjusted them or nothing. This is exactly how they come out of the package, with just drop shut action. This one, you barely have to touch it for it to fling out. If you were a non-knife person and you hit this just the right way with your finger and it popped out, you would think it was spring assisted. If somebody sees you use these who isn't a knife person, as soon as you deploy it, they think, oh boy, that's a spring assisted knife or something, or like that's an automatic knife. Like, no, just has really good action. Nice drop shut bearings. So let me know which one's your favorite. Let me know why the price difference is so major with these. You would think the bigger knife would be more expensive, but the smaller one is. I'm not a knife nerd or like a steel nerd or whatever. I don't know a whole lot about knife steels. I'm trying to learn. I know I really like D2. I know people complain about D2 saying it's hard to sharpen, but I'm just now getting into sharpening, and something just so satisfying about having a mirrored edge. But anyways, let me know which one is your favorite knife. And this Sativian I actually got for like $12 shipped to the house from eBay. When I sharpened it, I could tell that the D2 felt like good steel. It took a long time to sharpen, and I just wanted to get some cheap knives to practice my sharpening on, because I just started trying to get like a mirror finish and sharpening knives. And yeah, this Sativian for $12 with D2 steel, man, you can't beat it. It has ball bearings. It's not quite drop shut, but has really good texture. So it has G10 scales with really good grip and texture, good blade shape. So Let me know what you guys think. Definitely leave comments, like, subscribe, and have an awesome day.